several different conferences, there's several different initiatives and expos where manufacturers can actually attend. But I think with our conference, it's an area where companies can share ideas, learn from each other, talk about what they're doing, what went well, what didn't go so well, and how they can pass that knowledge on to others.
This year is all about grasping the opportunity of making the Made Smarter vision reality. So that reality is really all about a collaboration between UK manufacturers, innovators and integrators, and really that's at the heart of what DXC is about. So it's really a must-support event for us.
Well, there are two things I'm really looking forward to. One is an update on Made Smarter. It'd be really good to hear what progress has been made, because last year, you know, in the UK we've been a little slow on digital manufacturing strategy, but last year we had the announcement, and now it'd be really good to hear what progress have we made, what impact that has made in industry. And the other thing I'm really looking forward to hearing is the innovation pitches, because we'll have the chance hopefully to hear a wide variety of new technologies, and that'll give us a sense of the new trends and what's happening in the world of technology providers.
Well, the pace of innovation in the digital economy has no precedent. So if you look at the Made Smarter report, it talks about the fourth industrial revolution is evolving at an exponential rate rather than a linear pace. So digital disruption is really both a huge opportunity but also a big threat to organisations. The challenge really is for manufacturers to sort of seize innovation opportunities before their competitors do. So slow, risk-averse IT practices are not really the kind of place here. You need a way of rapidly building applications, experimenting, doing things fast, doing things more cost effectively and trying out new ideas.
So I mean, the conference for us is just as much about kind of giving ideas out as taking in feedback from end users to see what their challenges are in digitisation of manufacturing.
So I'll be talking about new business models at the conference, specifically how industrial digital technologies can change the way that UK manufacturing does business. I'll be talking about the concept of factory-in-a-box manufacture, rapidly deployable, remotely managed manufacturing capability that's enabled by industrial digital technologies.
Some of the things we're most excited about is the intelligence capability of future machines. The idea that a machine potentially will have the ability to actually understand the preferences of its operator and optimize itself in real time, in process. That really excites us.
I think it's important, digital's something that's going to happen and it's going to happen around you, and you've got that choice as to whether you're part of it or not. The key thing really, I think, is that people need to know whether or not it is important to their business, or whether at this stage it's something that they can ignore. My feeling is at some point everyone's going to have to do it, but not everybody needs to do it now. But if you don't know anything about it, you can ignore it and suddenly discover that your competitors have taken a huge business advantage over you by doing it.